The number one source that you're going to get your business from in 2026. And if you don't do this step, you're going to be kicking yourself at least 4 or 5 times a year. At least 4 or 5 times a year, you're going to be kicking yourself. You've got to reach out to your past customers and your sphere of influence via phone. Via phone, you've got to reach out to them. Easy days to reach out to past customers and sphere of influence is on the day they bought their house or land. That's one easy time of year to reach out to your past customers, your sphere of influence, on the day they bought their house or land. That's an easy day. Another easy day is Thanksgiving, guys. You can shoot them a text at Thanksgiving. You don't even have to call them. And I recommend a real text from your cell phone. Happy Turkey Day. I'm thankful for everything, for knowing you in my life, and I'm thankful for your business. I hope you have a great Thanksgiving. Something simple via text to them on Turkey Day. When you're finished eating with everybody, just sitting on the couch doing nothing, you can pump out 100 to 200 texts to your past customers and your sphere of influence. You can easily do that, especially if you're doing copy paste. Change it up a little bit. Don't make them all the same. Or you can do it before dinner, before the turkey lunch starts. You can do it before then. When you're sitting on the front yard watching the kids play with the family, you can shoot off 100 to 200 texts. You can do that. It's going to take you an hour to 2 hours. So time block, and don't waste your day on Turkey Day doing that. And then the day they buy a house. Another easy day is New Year's. Happy 2026. I hope this year is your best year yet. Thank you. I'm thankful to know you, and I'm thankful for your business. I hope you have a great 2026. Something simple, something easy, just shoot a text out. But you got to call them at least one of those times. You got to call them once a year and at least text them once a year, at minimum. At minimum. It would be best to do it 4 times a year, but at minimum, you got to do it twice a year. And if you're not sending out your monthly newsletter, you need to jump on top of that and do that. If you have a question about a CRM that'll help you do that, I've got a whole playlist on BoldTrails down below. I recommend BoldTrails. We get it for free over eXp Realty. So if you're not using a CRM to send your newsletters, I recommend BoldTrails. If you don't want to spend the money for BoldTrails and you're not ready to move to eXp and work together yet, then I recommend Mailchimp. I'd recommend Mailchimp. It is a great email newsletter provider. So, number one thing to do for real estate leads and real estate business in 2026 is staying in touch with your sphere of influence and your past customers. Staying in touch with them. And this is above this being social on social media. This is literal phone calls, literal text messages to your past customers and your sphere of influence. You do those 5 things and you work on those 5 things, you're going to have more business than you can handle. You'll be able to be a referral agent like me, and you'll be able to build your team like I do if you want. If you get enough deals, by May 2026 that you don't want to work anymore, if you got a year and a half worth of deals by May 2026 and you want to take a 3-month vacation, hey, more power to you. More power to you. As always, guys, thanks so much for watching today's video. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with anyone who might be in a little bit of a real estate lull so they can take advantage of this video too. If you're a broker and you want to use this for a training video, absolutely use it as a training video at your office. Guys, my contact information is down below. I am dead serious about working with you at eXp Realty. I've been at a lot of brokerages over the last 18 years, and I would love to work with you over at eXp Realty. No place is perfect. No place is perfect. I do have problems occasionally with the transaction team. I do have problems occasionally with just general stuff. There's no place that's perfect. Even when I had my own brokerage, it wasn't perfect. But guys, the pros absolutely outweigh the cons over at eXp Realty. Click the link down below. Let's schedule a time to talk together about how eXp Realty is obsessed with your success. Whether you're a broker owner, team leader, new agent, or seasoned agent, I'd love to work with you at eXp Realty. This playlist that's popping up right here, that's a playlist about something. I don't know yet. And then this video right here, the algorithm thinks that's the video that you should absolutely watch next. That one right there. they know when you should go potty and eat. So I guess you should watch that video too. All right, guys. See ya on the next one.